Silence is sweet, but not always. Welcome to Lip Studios. I'm Taposh. Today, I'm going to talk about a few mispronounced words with a silent T. The first word, castle, or an American castle. Listen, whistle, fasten or fasten, gourmet, ballet, Nestle, rapport, ricochet, mortgage, bouquet, debt, often. Well, that's all for today. Have a great evening. Oh, in case you want to be fluent in English or speak English the English way, please visit our website to register for live sessions with me and my colleagues. Until the next time, have a great life.